Hello Divi fans. In this video, I'm going to go over how to export and import many different files from one WordPress website to another. In this instance, I'm going to export all the posts I have on one website and import them to another. Just about any files such as media, footer templates, templates in general, code snippets, theme options, pages. What I'm going to do is export all the posts from this website to another website. So categories all, authors all, published, although there aren't really any posts that are unpublished, in draft, or private. So I'm going to click download export file. Then I'm going to go to another WordPress website. This one is OC Web Design. I'm going to go into Tools, Import. I'm going to use the WordPress importer. So click Run Importer, choose File. I'm going to find the file. It's in the Downloads folder. Okay, open, upload file and import, download and import file attachments. Okay. Submit. And I go to Visit Site, Blog, all those posts. So that concludes the video. Remember to like the video, leave a comment below the video, and subscribe to the channel.